Let's quickly go across and listen to the NIIT management. They seem to have had a really good quarter, major move up on the profits.
For the last 3 quarters. Our EBITDA margin has also improved 6.2% this quarter compared to the same quarter last year of 2.3%. And we've had a growth of 185% in our EBITDA quarter on quarter, year on year. Our PAT has also improved substantially, about 7-fold from 18 million last year, same quarter, to 164 million this quarter. Our international business, that's the business that we do overseas, is now 70% of NIIT's revenues in this quarter. And the CLG business, or the corporate learning business, constitutes 60%. The skills and career contributes 32%, and the schools business contributes 8%. Overall, in spite of the fact that there is some volatility in the market, because of stronger performance, we've been able to deliver on all the numbers that we've been talking about in the past for the company overall. Corporate learning business is up 17% year on year on revenue, and its EBITDA is 12%, so a little bit ahead of what we said, 15% and 12%. It contributes 60% of the total NIIT versus 55% last year, same quarter. We've also been deliberately focusing on new verticals of banking and life sciences, and we made good traction there. So in spite of some volatility in the energy sector, we've more than been able to deliver on our numbers. Our deal pipeline has grown significantly in this quarter, and I'm looking forward to seeing good results coming forward as we go ahead. We've added one new MTS customer in this quarter, taking our total tally to 27. And overall, in this year, in 3 quarters, we've added 3 new MTS customers. Our order intake is also up 28% year to date. And our revenue visibility has also increased from 199 million to 195 million over this quarter. We're also continuing to increase in improving our capabilities, driving our productivity program, and focusing on larger and larger ticket deals. Most important, we remain very much on track to deliver on the 15% top line growth and 12% EBITDA for the whole year, as we had indicated when we started the year. Our skills and career group, this is really the weakest quarter normally in the last many years because of the seasonal nature of this business. In spite of that, we have grown 3% YOY over the last year, same quarter. And again here, the growth rates have improved over the last 3 quarters from -3% to 1% to now 3%. So the trend is exactly in the direction we wanted it to take it. And we had said back to growth, and this is an indicator that very much back to growth. Our EBITDA margin for this quarter was 1.